my name is Teri Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and yes, we're having another contest. We're having the 700 contest. Before, we had the 500 contest. We have 700 subscribers on the YouTube channel. We have 693 on the Facebook group. However, we are hopefully going to have 7 more. See, 707. And then we'll have our 700 goal. Now, the winner's going to win a one-on-one tutorial from me. What does that mean? I have a special room set up, and it will be a one-on-one tutorial with me live where you can ask questions and get answers. And that will be for 1 hour total, depending on how long it takes for the topic that you would like to have. Now, what kind of topics could be covered? Well, sample topics are signature sewing, creating signatures, creating envelope stacks, and how to make a book cover, and even more. Just whatever it is that you need to know, and if I know it, I'll tell you how to do it. How do you enter? Oops, got them in the wrong order. How do you enter? How do you enter? How do you enter? You must be a member. I'm so prepared, right? You must be a member of the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and post your entry in the I Want to Learn in the 700 contest event. Discussion posts do not count. Or be a YouTube subscriber and post below I Want to Learn below in the comments. Now, if you're a member of both, you get 2 entries by posting below and by posting in the Facebook group. All right, so that gives you 2 chances to win. The drawing will be held August 28th at 8 a.m. Pacific time, which is 11 a.m. Eastern time, and be posted on YouTube. Therefore, it will be posted in the Facebook group as well. Now, the last thing I would like to say to you is good luck. Enter in both places to get double the chances to win. The first place prize is a one-on-one tutorial. I cannot talk this morning. A one-on-one tutorial with me. I'm going to try to have a second place prize. I'm working on it, and but it will be good just like the last time. Okay, so good luck from me, Teri Lee, and hopefully I will see you in our one-on-one tutorial. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video, and that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.